See, stop saying you are broke, because the problem is not about you being broke. It's just that you lack some basic information about how people like you are earning in dollars in Africa. The people who are actually earning in dollars from the comfort of their homes in Africa are not smarter than you. It's just that they have some information that you do not have. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to make it as simple as it should be for you to understand how you can actually earn in dollars from the comfort of your home in Africa. So let's dive into the main video. So the first platform is called affiliate marketing. I know you are tired of hearing affiliate marketing and you are about to click off this video, but I advise you not to do so, because affiliate marketing is no longer how it used to be in the past. I know in the past it used to be very difficult getting people to tap on your link, purchase products through your link for you to earn, but there are several platforms that have actually made it easy for people to earn through affiliate marketing without working their butts off. Ask me the platforms. We have Front End, we have Expansia, we have Amazon, and so many other platforms like that. The problem is that you just don't know how to go about it. But if you are really serious about earning through affiliate marketing, drop your comment for me in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make a more elaborate video for you if I get a lot of people requesting for a video like that. So if you want to earn through affiliate marketing, just have it in mind that it's about you promoting other people's products, brands, digital products or physical products, and you get rewarded for it. You don't have to really do much about this. It's just once you have put out your affiliate links, once people tap on it, you could be sleeping and people are tapping on your links and purchasing products. So like I said, if you want more information about how to earn through affiliate marketing, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do a breakdown step-by-step guide of how people are earning through affiliate marketing in 2026. So now let's talk about the next platform. The next platform is through remote jobs. There are several platforms where you can get remote jobs. We have a lot of Africans who are earning like $3,000 monthly from remote jobs, right from Africa. You know, in places like America, United Kingdom, Canada, there are some jobs that people do not like to do there, which we create available opportunities for people in other countries to take over these jobs. Apart from that, there could be people wanting to go on a leave, maybe pregnancy leave or whatever leave, maybe their cats kick the bucket, they want to mourn it, and all of those things that happen over there. So because of those reasons, these jobs are always vacant, and most employers do not even like taking people who will give them such complaints. Because of that, they like to take Africans that they know they are hardworking, they are always ready to do all of these jobs. So we have a lot of platforms like that, depending on the kind of remote job you want. And if you go through my channel, you see that I have uploaded videos like that where you can get remote jobs and do them from the comfort of your home. So a lot of people are no longer working so hard like that, going to office. It's not everyone that is interested in office jobs nowadays. So you can pick up remote jobs and do them from the comfort of your home. Another way Africans are actually earning from the comfort of their homes is through giving their opinions and getting rewarded for them. We have survey platforms, we have research websites, but if you really don't want to waste much of your time, you can go into research websites because they pay higher than surveys. So in research websites, like we have user interviews, Prolific, we have IntelliZoom, we have user testing, and so many platforms like that reward you for giving your opinions or for reviewing their products. It's just as easy as that. A lot of Africans depend giving their opinions from the comfort of their homes and getting rewarded for it. So if you are also looking for videos like that where you can give your opinions and get rewarded from the comfort of your home in Africa, all you need to do is to scroll down below this channel. You are going to be seeing videos like that. So the fourth way Africans are actually earning in dollars right from the comfort of their homes in Africa is by creating products. Become a solution to people's problems. How do you do this? Just create something like an ebook or any product at all that you can sell on platforms like Seller. When you sell products like this, people are going to be purchasing. You don't even need to do any much work. Just put out your products in Seller. It could be a physical product, it could be a digital product. So just create products like this and put them out on Seller, and you'll see a lot of people from different countries purchasing them from you. Just make sure that you are solving one problem or the other. So that is it. I have a lot of students who have been earning from the products they created like 5 years ago, and they are still earning from such products from Seller. So you can look for a problem that people are looking for solutions to and create a solution to it. And whenever people purchase your products from a platform like Seller, you are already earning in dollars. So the fifth platform where Africans are actually earning in dollars is through content creation. If you can buy iPhones worth over ₦1 million, you bought a phone worth over 300,000 naira, and these phones are not making money for you. It means that you are still backward. A lot of people are earning through content creation by just using their phones. You don't need to use an expensive phone. You just make sure you are using a smartphone with a camera. Film yourself, your culture, how rich your culture is, where you are dancing, where you are singing, where you are sharing your knowledge, and all of that, and you will be getting rewarded. We have platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all of those platforms. We even have platforms where all you need to do is to post your pictures. If your images are approved on these websites, they are going to be paying you for that particular image. So there are platforms like that, and there are also platforms that encourage you to plant a tree. And when you plant a tree, all you need to do is to share the video of where you are planting a tree in your rural areas, and this platform is going to be rewarding you. And there are also platforms where Africans are actually earning in dollars just by snapping pictures in their remote areas. You take pictures, they could ask you to go to a shop, a mall in your remote area, snap it, post it in their platform, and they are going to be rewarding you. So there are so many platforms like that, and all of these things are done with your smartphone. So it's just about you getting information. And now that you have gotten the information that Africans like you are actually earning in dollars without traveling to United Kingdom, United States, Canada, and all of those places, just make sure you are leveraging on any of those platforms that I have shared with you. If you are going to be trying any of those platforms, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, the notification button, so that whenever I upload videos like this, you are going to be notified. I remain Emilia Davis. See you in my next video.